I'm going in it?
Yeah.
Okay.
Just like... Yeah. Okay. Yeah. Because we're dumbasses and we ruin cars. We're gonna comment about this.
Number 3.
Yeah. This is gonna be awesome.
Maybe 2 minutes.
Yeah. I'm gonna like put a clip of like half of this and put it somewhere. And like watching comments go by. Like, fuck you. Yeah. Right. No, she's parking. Whoever it is, yeah. Okay, so. Have you ever vlogged in a hurricane? Have you ever vlogged at all? Okay, so we got someone who's new to vlogging. I'm pretty new to vlogging too. I've never vlogged and I've never really vlogged in any sort of circumstance where it was like, you know, stuff actually going on. Like I've never vlogged at like a car meet or anything. So there are like 3 news agencies right now that are reporting that if it comes through Tampa Bay, fucking
It's almost kind of perfect because we both look that way.
right?
When we look back, different sunglasses.
Yeah, that'd be cool. Goes to the beach to get suntan, and when she suntans too hard and she gets skin cancer, they just take care of it. Like they pay like $12,000 and she doesn't have skin cancer anymore. And then she goes back out on the beach and gets skin cancer again. Just because she likes being that tan. That she's like, it's okay. I'll just go to the doctor for my skin cancer.
I've heard a plane though.
Right? It's pretty okay. That
Wait.
person is still like got their engine on.
I do that.
Yeah. Like I wonder if that's gonna have an effect on sound. I don't know.
What? How
Probably if anything the waves are gonna have an effect on the sound.
I'm wondering if this thing could even hear us
I
this entire time.
I don't know. We'll have to listen to the video.
I really hope you spoke up well enough.
I tried to like, you know, raise my voice a little bit, but I'm still a quiet mouse.
Oh.
I did that last time South Tampa flooded with Kyle.
People need you.
Yeah, there's cut to the video of me and Kyle towing people out with his big ass truck. He did like this much work. Like he was literally like, okay, I'm here, I've got my truck, now you get out and put the tow strap on the car. I was like, shit man, I could get an STD in this water. And he was literally like, I don't give a fuck. So like I would hook up the truck or the car or whatever, and we would tow him out. We towed out like 3 cars the entire time. Mind you, there were like 20 that we could have towed, but he was like, I don't want to tow any more than these. So yeah, we only towed 3, and the rest of them we just waved and like poured water on them with the wake.
Did you...
Like we flooded their cars even more, and then all of
Did you get money out of it at least?
No.
No?
They're all broke.
Okay, then that makes sense.
Yeah.
Doing it for free.
Yeah. I mean, think about these people.
People pay my brother.
Oh, I know, yeah. That's really sketch. Okay, so back to the story. So, so we're all in his Tacoma, and this guy is like his first language is like Spanish, and so we're talking to him, and he's like barely understanding what we're saying, and so Rob goes, hey, oh shit. This is number 6, if you can hear it. This is gonna be so great for me. Man, these sunglasses don't do shit.
Compared to these.
These sunglasses are like reading glasses.
Like look at my Oakleys.
Yeah, yeah.
It's like
are those
glass.
dark as fuck?
Almost, no, like
oh,
glass.
really? Oh, okay.
It's just reflective. So when you look at me, I can't tell I'm looking at you.
Right. That's how those sunglasses are. But these, you can clearly see where I'm looking.
These are
at.
dark.
Yeah, I know. Yeah. It was hilarious. And I'm pretty sure it's... What the fuck?
back.
There's like a ton of people showing up, and then there's a guy singing. I hope that got on the video.
He's like, oh.
There's literally like a guy
Like,
singing.
he's literally doing like his whole bars.
Yeah. Yeah, that's hilarious. Like, double, yeah.
7.
Yeah.
7.
Yeah. Jeez, good night. That guy's louder than me. That's definitely got to be in the video. He's literally having the best time right now.
The only thing that's over there is like disc golf.
I know, yeah. Like, what the
They're
hell?
having a good time playing disc golf.
Right. But anyway, so yeah, so... Jesus Christ, guy.
I won't let you go!
This has got to be the weirdest interruption in a video on YouTube.
Don't let him go.
I know.
Don't let him go.
Don't let him go. He'll sing to you if you let him go. Jesus Christ.
Hey.
But yeah, so we showed up, and the guy literally bought my Jeep full of rice, and it was rusted, and it was just a shit show. Like, it over... Y'all gotta hear this, because this is hilarious. The guy is literally, like, how many feet away would you say that is? Like 600 feet?
No.
Like 400 or 500 feet?
No.
Would you say that's like 250?
I want to say less than 100 yards.
Really?
Playing disc golf? I wouldn't go through that.
There's literally like water.
Yeah. Can we walk all the way down? Go find him?
He literally sounds like he's right there. That lady really didn't want us like recording this. She was like, really? You're gonna do that to that guy?
I mean, we can literally hear him from over.
I know. Yeah, he's like destroying our vlog just because he wants to sing.
It's playing disc golf. Do it.
Yeah. Okay, we gotta go now. He's coming.
Butcher.
See, that's the truck we were talking about. It's like super creepy. It's like a brand new, like Dodge Ram. This is like a selfie stick for a big ass camera.
Giant ass selfie stick.
Yeah.
Wow.
You would tell me if I have like alfalfa going on, right?
Yeah.
Okay. Because that always happens. I always like...
I think that's how you part your hair.
Yeah, it's terrible.
Like it's not a swirl, but it's not parted.
Yeah, I
It's
don't.
like a mixture.
I don't even want to like part my hair or anything. It just does it, and then I have the swirl, so it's like really annoying. Yeah.
Me too. But,
Why are we doing this? We're so introverted.
yeah. That's my point. That's my point. I'm trying to make you like, wait,
Okay.
you show the slide?
So how should we end the video?
I don't, what would an introvert person do?
Okay, bye guys. It's been real.
Maybe try to give it hurricane
Just
style.
like stutter a lot.